The new MaxiSys MS906 is the result of a collective obsession to create the most cost-effective diagnostic tool. It combines many prestigious qualities of the MaxiDas DS708 with the newly structured design and offers authentically tested and licensed OE-level vehicle coverage over 80 American, Asian, and European makes and models. At its core, the pro-level Samsung Exynos hexa-core processor and the high-speed system memory make everything you do faster and more responsive. To make diagnostic possible when the tool is not plugged in, a 5,000 mAh rechargeable lithium polymer battery is installed, enabling up to 6 hours of worry-free continuous operation. The MS906 also features an 8-megapixel rear camera, capturing shots of damaged parts or repairs. The 8-inch touchscreen and easy-to-use Android-based software make finding what you need simple and fast. With the update application and wireless technology, the software update has never been easier. It keeps your tool's vehicle coverage up to date for new vehicle brands and model years and expands its software functionality regularly. With the included OBD1 adapters and OBD2 main cable, MS906 delivers complete diagnostics for all the covered makes and models. Designed with the busy technician in mind, the tool's AutoVin and AutoScan features perform instant vehicle identification with just a touch of the screen. The tool's easy-to-use navigation enables the technician to quickly perform a wide range of diagnostic tasks, from reading and clearing codes, to viewing and graphing system live data, and to performing necessary functions after repair through guided functions. The tablet can also tackle a list of service procedures, including oil and service light resets, diesel particulate regeneration, and steering angle sensor calibration. As with all MaxiSys line of tools, the MS906 software includes a large suite of useful applications, including Shop Manager, a database for customer and vehicle histories, MaxiFix, a user forum for diagnostic and repair tips and proven fixes, and Data Manager for saving vehicle and system specs, images, and diagnostic screenshots. Autel has raised standards again by introducing the new MS906, delivering the most affordable and complete diagnostic tool for technicians who demand powerful diagnostic features.